Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Okay, let's have a look at today's lesson. Wow, what can it be? What are you doing tomorrow? Future arrangements, righto. So our objective of this lesson is to learn how to speak about what you would be doing, future arrangements, etc. Not just for tomorrow, but next week, next year, whatever the case might be. This presentation will guide you through using the present continuous to discuss future plans. We'll explore the structure and common time expressions, then practice with interactive exercises. Righto, guys. And once again, the lesson has been prepared by Alfred Grobler. Okay, talking about future plans. Let's dive into it. Planned arrangements. We use the present continuous to discuss planned future activities. Not predictions, right? This differs from general future predictions, which we use will or going to. Righto, guys, there's a big difference between just talking about planned arrangements and, of course, predictions, right? You can see the main difference, of course, is mentioned over here. You'll be using will and going to. That is for predictions, okay? We're going to stick, for this lesson, we're going to be sticking to planned arrangements. Will and going to will be coming in future lessons. Okay. Present continuous for future plans. Firstly, the structure. The subject plus am, is, or are, plus verb ing, right? Future time and your future time expression. Examples. I am meeting my friend tomorrow. They are having a party next week. She is flying to Paris on Monday. It's all future plans, righto? You can see it all tomorrow, next week, Monday, right? Because it's most probably talking, let's say, before Monday, on Friday or Saturday or whatever the case might be. And their friend is flying to Paris on Monday. So as you can see, this is all discussing future plans. Okay, let's have a look at some common time expressions for future plans. Tomorrow, of course, that's most probably one of the most common ones. Next week, next month, next year. On day, of course, you can say I'm going on Monday, I'm going on Tuesday, or whatever the case might be. And of course, this evening, afternoon, morning, righto. Those are some of the common time expressions that will be used when you are talking about future plans. Okay? Also, importantly, forming questions, of course, eh? One, the structure, again. Am, is, are. Am I, are you, is he, she. Going or working or whatever the case might be, plus your time expression, your future time expression, tomorrow. Is he working tomorrow? Let's go have a look at some examples over here. What are you doing tomorrow? Where is she going next week? Are they having dinner with us tonight? Follow, that's all. Forming questions for future plans. Okay, now that you know how to form questions as well, let's go and have a look at it. Write the question, right? All the sentences are future. In other words, the question you'll be making here is about the future. You go out tonight. In other words, you're going to be using these words we've got over here to form the question. Righto, guys. I'm quite sure that the video has covered most of it. So if you pause the video to answer these questions over here or to make your questions, and then grab hold of your notebook and you can start doing it. Like always, I'm going to give you the first one. Are you going out tonight? Okay, so you've got the first one now. You can do the other four over there in your notebook. And guys, like always, please pause the video. Don't go up front and try and look at the answers before you've answered it. You'll not be doing yourself any justice by doing that, guys. Really. You won't learn how to do it on your own by cheating. Put it this way, okay?
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you paused the video and you answered them all in your notebook. And now you are very anxious to see how many you had correct. So without any further ado, let's have a look. Righto. And of course, the first one was given to you, but first, check your answers. Great, let's go for it, guys. Number 2. What time is she coming? Okay. Are we working tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow afternoon? When are you coming back from your holiday? Guys, if you had them all correct, like I'm telling you every single time, give yourself a very big pat on the back, because then you are really coming right, and I'll be very surprised to see how well you are doing in actual fact then. And I really hope that these lessons are helping you to become fluent in English, because if you practice them and you do all the work I'm giving you in your notebooks, I am quite sure that you will become fluent over time. Right, guys, please, we didn't have it correct. Correct your work. Maybe rewind the video a little bit and see what did you do wrong. Okay, now without any further ado, some more. Making plans. Put the verb in the present continuous. She is coming, etc. Or present simple, the bus leaves. Right, guys, once again, pause the video, grab hold of your notebook, and oops, okay, let's give you the first one. Are you going out tonight? Okay, they've got the first one, guys. Please complete the rest in your notebook, and once you are done, continue watching the video to see how many you had correct.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Correct, guys. I assume that you paused the video and you answered them all in your notebooks. So let's go on and let's go have a look at your answers, right? Check your answers. This first one was given to you over here. We're just going to have a look at number 2. We are going to the cinema tonight. There's a meeting tomorrow morning, but I'm not going, or I am not going. John says, how are you going to Bangkok? He's asking his friend, he's asking Jane, how is she going to Bangkok? By bus. The bus leaves at 9 a.m. and arrives in Bangkok around 10 p.m. Peter, what are you doing tomorrow? Jane, I'm going to school, or I am going to school, right? Either one would be correct. Guys, if you had this correct, honestly, you are becoming very, very good. And I'd like to know that my lessons is helping you, because these lessons are free, guys. And honestly, I think if you go through it, watch it as many times as you can, because it's here on YouTube for you. And if you do the whole lesson, the complete lesson, I'm quite sure that in time you will be speaking English very good. Okay, each end of lesson we have some key takeaways that we look at. The present continuous is useful for talking about planned future arrangements. Remember to include future time, expressions to be specific. And once again, guys, practice makes perfect. Please. Don't forget to practice. Practice and try speaking it to your friends. Normally it works very well if you and a friend do all this together and you support each other in it. You can support each other by making questions, answering questions, and doing all of that. And yes, that is one way of really doing it. And guys, like always, if you had all your questions correct, go out and treat yourself. Psychologically, it'll motivate you to just do more and more and more and become better and better and better. And while you're drinking your coffee or whatever your favorite drink is, how about supporting the guy who made all this stuff for you for free? Okay? Support that person also with a cup of coffee.